in US today, more than 85% of investment happens through rule-based approach. Now, just 30 years ago, this number was close to 15%. If we talk about the biggest quant hedge funds and quant investment entities in the world, they are coming to India for quant. Rule-based approach is picking up. Now, why is it? Now, the reason is the type of development in data processing capabilities that we have achieved over the last maybe 5-10 years and the advent of artificial intelligence had led to unbiased objective investment systems, and investment has evolved accordingly. So today we know that unbiased, systematic and objective long-term investment approach is probably the most efficient and the best way to create wealth. So we can say it with high level of conviction that investors who are playing for short-term game, trying to time the markets, who invest in the operated stocks or what is in quote-unquote trend, are going to have significantly lower wealth versus their peers who take a long-term, objective, systematic approach towards investment.